My name is Karol Mashio. I'm with my student here at Clement. We're gonna explain to you guys annuities that have skip payment. So I'm gonna start off explaining PV. Is gonna explain the FV. So now I wanna find my PV, right? Let's say finding PV. I have 3 and 4 months which I'm skipping. So first of all, I want to find how many months. How many payments am I making from here going here? I'm making 1, 2, and 3 payments. So I need to find the annuity for this thing. When I say PV is equals to payments is 90, and the number of payments are 3, and then the interest that I'm given is 18. So I need to change it to per month. So you can just say 18 divided by 12%. This is per month. Even here, this is I. 18 divided by 12%. And then remember, this thing is taking me here. And when I'm here, I'm having a payment that is made on the day, on the dot. So that means this thing is in advance. So when something is in advance, you need to include the bracket, right? So I'm done with these ones. So I wanna find the ones from here going up until 90. So how many payments am I making? So I'm gonna say 1, 2. So this is 1, this is 2, the second payment. So I wanna find the difference so that I can be able to find how many payments I made from the 5th month until 120 month. So 5 minus 1 is what? It's 4. 6 minus 2, it's 4. So taking my calculator, I will say 118 minus 4, right? And I'm having 114. 119 minus 4, it's 115. This is 116, right? So after that, I'll say plus. I say okay. Let me not do that. PV number 2. This is PV number 1. This is PV number 2. I'll say number of payments is 90 A, and then I want how many payments I made. I made 116 payments, right? 116, and then the interest is this one, 18 over 12 per month. So remember this thing. I'm wanting to find PV here, right? Which means that this thing is in advance because I'm making payment and I want to find my PV. So I need to include this bracket, the extra bracket. And then after that, but then this question asked me to find the PV on t squares to 0. That means I need to take the amount here backwards to t squares to 0. So I'm just going to say include one bracket here. This is to the power of minus 5 because the amount is here, right? So I want to take it to times 0. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then you can do the other side, the other way. You can just put the PV here, and then your exponent there will be minus 4. Do you understand? Yeah. So you can just take our expensive calculator, this one, and then calculate on top. We say compound, and then for this one, because it's in advance, you're gonna put begin, and then put the n as 3, and then put I as 18 divided by 12. PV we want to find PV, right? So we say PV. Number of payments, sorry, is 90, and then I want to find PV. So my PV is 266,00295,081. And then my PV for number 2, I'm gonna say, because this is also in what? In advance. So I'm gonna put my Z as begin and put 106 as my N, and then put 18 divided by 12 as my I, and then put my payment as 90 as well, and then find PV. After finding PV, you can take the other calculator which I always refer to when dealing with these ones. You're gonna say, punch in the amount 5,007,179,693 multiply by the answer you get here is 4,647,966,251. So the PV is going to be PV1 plus PV2 equals to PV1 is 266,029,5081, and then plus this one, we're going to get 4914. That concludes our lesson. I hope you understood. If you don't understand,